we're with Chris.
Hey mate.
Hey dude.
See ya. I've had it for a long time and it's had a few changes made, and recently decided I wanted it to handle better and sit nicer.
This is an I-beam, right?
It was, yeah.
It was. What do you mean it was?
I-beam's very heavy duty, very reliable, very solid front suspension, but you can't really lower it. So as soon as you try to lower it, you get run out of suspension travel. They ran them from 63 right through to 2000s.
Eagles back in the day?
Farm trucks, work trucks, yeah, stuff like that.
Right.
So, yeah, which is why I love them, but handling, yeah, not so much. Well, it was a $2,000 farm truck I bought in Dallas, Lewisville, Texas, just outside of Dallas. And yeah, it was pretty stock, big block, 4-speed truck, and I brought it in and it got burnt and damaged and all sorts of horrible stuff. So I decided when I got it here, I'd just do a full build on it. And I rebuilt the big block, put aluminum heads and put a 6-speed Tremec in it.
Nice.
Did some things like that, but I wanted to take it to the next level and put a Coyote in it and modernise the suspension. So.
And now you went all out.
All out. It caught fire in transit, so when I got it
out. In transit it caught fire?
Yeah, yeah, so a lot of drama. So first thing I did was the body, and I got rid of all the burnt panels and the melted tail lights. So it was it. Basically the fire was in the tub.
Now you took this to Superformance because they had done the IFS that we built at the shop on every model apart from this one, a 66, right?
Yeah, so they'd done the model before, they'd done the model after.
But this has the Superformance IFS on the front and the 4-link at the back.
Yeah, so full cross member, heavy duty cross member with their in-house manufactured upper and lower control arms, big heavy duty bottom control arms that are gusseted and very strong. They did the Wilwood brakes with the Wilwood spindles, the Flaming River power steering brake.
Like this thing, it drives and handles
it's
like
really
a brand spanking new truck. I love the stands.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Like it looks so goddamn good. Like it's just sitting at that right height.
Yeah.
Could be a little bit lower.
No. You've got to be able to drive it. It's got to be able to get in my driveway, right? So.
That's true. Like you pop that bonnet and it looks like, I was saying, it looks like some sort of one of those American like drift car motors in there. Like it looks fantastic.
Illuminator 5.2.
Yeah, so what does that mean? Does that mean it's like a Coyote
like a
motor or something?
Yeah, like a copper jet.
A copper jet.
Yeah,
right.
yeah, copper jet.
So this one has the higher manifold.
Yeah, the high-rise manifold and like a twin throttle body in the front. So yeah.
I love that big air filter that you've got set up in there, and the valve covers look great. Like it looks like that motor was born to be in this car.
I was trying to go for a look like it was the OE fit in this car. I wanted to lift the bonnet and people think, did this truck come out of the factory with that engine?
Like you finished it off with a set of side pipes, which like it sounds so goddamn good. You finished it off like just with some nice SoCal gauges, the interior's nice and tidy.
Yeah, not over the top.
Overall, mate, this is a fantastic truck.
Yeah.
Well done.
Yeah, thanks.
What a rig.
I'm glad you like driving it.
I do like driving it. I want it. thanks for watching. If you need any parts for your car, please give us a call and check out the website. We'll see you next time.